नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्र हो. मी राठोड नरेंद्र माणिकराव, जय जवान जय किसान बॉईज मिलिटरी स्कूल अँड ज्युनियर कॉलेज सोलापूर. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज आपण चर्चा करतोय SCERT महाराष्ट्र पुणे मार्फत सुरू असलेल्या ब्रिज कोर्स म्हणजेच सेतू अभ्यासक्रमासंदर्भामध्ये. यामध्ये आपण इयत्ता 10वी सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी या विषयातील दुसऱ्या टेस्ट संदर्भामध्ये चर्चा करणार आहोत. ही टेस्ट आधारित आहे ब्रिज कोर्स ॲक्टिव्हिटी शीट नंबर 6 ते 10 वरती आणि 15 मार्काची असून यासाठी वेळ दिलेला आहे 30 मिनिटे. स्टेट काउन्सिल ऑफ एज्युकेशनल रिसर्च अँड ट्रेनिंग महाराष्ट्र पुणे प्रिपरेटरी ब्रिज कोर्स टेस्ट 2. सब्जेक्ट सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 2. Class 10th, and this test is of 15 marks and based on the activity sheet 6 to 10, and time required for this test is 30 minutes. Some instructions are given for us here. All questions must be solved. The numbers on the right indicates marks. The first question: solve the following question, any 5, and this question is asked for 5 marks. पहिला प्रश्न आहे सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग, कुठलेही 5, आणि हा प्रश्न 5 मार्कांसाठी विचारलेला आहे. त्यातील पहिला प्रश्न आहे व्हॉट इज द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम मेड अप ऑफ. सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम कशापासून तयार झालेली आहे. याचं उत्तर आहे द सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम कन्सिस्ट ऑफ ब्रेन अँड स्पायनल कॉर्ड. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: what is biogeochemical cycle? The answer of this question is biogeochemical cycle, any of the natural pathway by which essential element of living matter are circulated. Next question: write correlation producer autotrophs. Predator, it is also says to be the consumers. The answer of this question is heterotrophs. Next question: write the name of the plant in the picture and what kind of movement takes place in the plants. Observe the picture, and the name of plant is mimosa. It is also said to be the touch me not. And what type of movement is seen in these plants? That is nastic movement. Fifth question: take the odd term out. Estrogen, insulin, pancreas, oxytocin, these are the terms given here, and from these we have to put out odd one, and the answer of this question is pancreas. The explanation of this question is that estrogen, insulin and oxytocin, these are the hormones, while pancreas is a gland. Next question: complete the diagram of the type of nerve cell given below. Here the types of nerve cells are given. One is given there and we have to write other. Sensory neuron is given here. Next one, that is motor neuron, and association or associatory neuron. Sensory neuron, motor neuron, and association neuron, these are the parts of nerves. Next question, define carbon cycle. The definition of carbon cycle is a circulation and recycling of carbon from the atmosphere to living organism and after their death back to the atmosphere is called carbon cycle. Question number 2, write the answer of the following, and this question is asked for 10 marks. In that, first question is differentiate between gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. Here, gaseous cycle and accumulation of the main biotic gases nutrient material is found in the earth atmosphere. Next point, includes nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Then sedentary or sedimentary cycle and accumulation of the main abiotic nutrients material is found in a soil, sedimentary rocks, etc. and include soil components like iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. Next question, write whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. A. Endocrine glands are also called ductless gland. This statement is a true. And why? Because we know, because the secretion of endocrine gland is directly poured into the blood and for that no ducts are present. So what? Endocrine glands are said to be the ductless gland. The next question is, plant have nervous system. Answer of this question is the false. Why? Because plant do not have two nervous system. The process of transportation in a plant takes place by the tissues. Next question, that is, look at the diagram given below and answer the following question. Here the diagram is given and on the basis of this diagram we have to give the answer of the question. The first question, name the given diagram. The name of the diagram is brain and spinal cord. Next question, where is the spinal cord located? The answer of this question is ventral column or backbone. Spinal cord is located in a ventral column or backbone. Next question, complete the given below. Complete the table given below. Gland and their hormones. Parathyroid, estrogen, ovary, parathormone. Write the scientific reason energy flow through an ecosystem is one way. The correct answer of this question is, in ecosystem the flow of energy is unidirectional. Unidirectional means what? One way. The sun is the most important source of energy in an ecosystem, we all know. Producers like green plants obtain energy from the sun and store in the form of solar energy in the form of food. And before reaching the decomposers, this energy is passed on from one trophic level to the next. Decomposers dissipate some amount of energy in the form of heat. However, no part of energy never return to sun. So it is called as unidirectional. By this way, we say energy flow through an ecosystem is one way. Next question, write the examples of two reflex action you have experienced. Answer of this question is when we touch to a flame of a candle, we take our hand back quickly or immediately is one example. Next example, when light with a high intensity is fall on our eyes, we close our eyes suddenly or immediately. The next question is fill in the blanks in the figure given below. Here trophic level is given. In a first, all producers in an ecosystem that are said to be the plant, here they are said to be the producers. Then herbivores, carnivores, here second trophic level, and third omnivores or third trophic level.
Okay friends, we may stop here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.